Pandas conditional filter. I have a data frame. I would like to add a row D with the following conditions. D is true, if A, B and C are true. Else, D is false. I tried. I get. Then I tried to follow this example and wrote a similar function as suggested in the link. In which case I get. I'd appreciate suggestions. Thanks.
Or even better. And now. Is.
Comparing with true is not necessary. On-chain Boolean masks with AND. If performance is important. Or use dataframe.all for check all trues per rows. Performance.
Using Pandas eval. Or.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.